So now we'll create a basic chart in AIV dashboard. So from the list of widgets, click on the chart icon. Here, give the title to the chart. Here we have list of various charts, column charts, bar charts, line chart, area chart, pie and donut and others chart. From the main chart, select the column chart and you can select the sub chart. Now in the data set, here we'll select sales CDS. In category access, we'll select the product line, and in arguments, we'll select the extended price. In aggregator, we'll create a sum. So here we are going to see the sum of extended price for the various product lines. Save and exit. So here we have created our chart.